Wipro has fired 300 employees. This is what we are going to talk about today. Welcome back to this channel. To get notified for the upcoming videos, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and bell icon. Do you know what is moonlighting? Moonlighting is nothing. There is a primary organization which we are working on it, and I do the secondary job for the other organization. This is like moonlighting. I have finished my works on primary organization, and I am working for the secondary organization after my working hours or during my working hours, whatever it may be. This is the way it's called moonlighting process. First of all, this information is true or not, I don't know, because one HR has posted in his WhatsApp status, and he is working for a big MNC company. That's why I got to know. I'm sure that it's 80% true. Not only Wipro, there are many organizations are looking forward who are all doing this moonlighting process. First of all, uh, I will tell you why these kind of situations are occurring. I am working for an organization for one payment, and I need more payments, so that I can go and work for the other organizations, which is called the competitors between the company A and company B. Uh, you know what? We need money. I agree, but due to this, if you get caught, what will happen? If we get caught, what will happen? We will be blacklisted. We will be blacklisted, and we can't go and proceed further for our future process wise. Once we got blacklisted, we will get termination letter. Once we got those termination letters, we can't go and apply for other organizations. Trust me, this is going to be a brutal murder for our careers. So please be careful, don't do such kind of things. 300 employees, their careers is going to be a question mark. Not only Wipro. I am sure that many organizations are going to follow this process. They are watching you, what you are working on it. Especially for me, I am working for one organization, and the second is like YouTube. That's it. I don't do other kind of jobs. Even if I can also, I will not do, because my career is more important for me, and I do not do. This is one of the key principles which we can hold it around. You know what? There are many agencies working for MNC companies. They, if your profile has been went to them and they were searching for your background checks, they are going to do your background checks. Not only for during joining of the company, they will be checking after 2 years, after 3 years, after 4 years, or whatever it may be. This is what it's going to happen. And you know, if you are working for service based organizations like Wipro or ABC, XYZ, some companies means, both companies will be having a collaboration. Both companies will be working, having a collaboration, and they will work for a particular project. Don't you think that your profile can be seen over there through some third party agencies? It is possible. It is highly possible. So if you got fired for company A, when you're going and applying for the company B, do you think whether you can be joined in over there? I'm not sure. I'm not sure, because I don't know, because I'm not, my professional is not into the HR side. So please don't do such kind of things. This is going to be a very toughest tasks. You know what? Please stop avoiding these kind of things. And this is my personal request, because our career is more important. We need money. Of course, I can understand. But working for the competitors companies means it's going to be a big risk. Our profile is going to be in a big risk. So please don't such kind of things. You know what? I have heard not only from Wipro, so from other organizations as well. There are people working for multiple organizations where they can get salaries more. Okay, but please be careful if you are doing such kind of things, because end of the day we are going to pay the tax. Okay, if more income comes, if another day if we get caught, our profile will be in a higher risk, and I'm not sure what is going to be happen in our future. Please avoid such kind of things. I'm not sure whether Wipro has fired or not, because I saw a WhatsApp status from my friend working as a HR for an organization. That's why I got to know. That's it for the today video. To get notified for the upcoming videos, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and bell icon. We'll catch up at next video. Thank you. Take care. Bye.